how you can create a poll in WhatsApp. Now this works for Android and iPhone. This is a new WhatsApp feature, so I'll teach you guys how you can do it. So first, let's just open up our WhatsApp. Now after you've opened up your WhatsApp, you'll see different options right here. Just tap on this plus icon, and after you tap on the plus icon, you'll see the poll option right there. Tap on poll. Now you can ask a question right there. So just tap. I'm just gonna ask them if they want to go for tea today. Just tap this. Tap on options. The more options you add, the more options you get. So keep doing this. Now you can allow multiple answers or not. I'll choose not, and then just send it. Now after you send it, like you can see, there is an poll created. You can just tap on this right here, and that is how you do it, guys. That is how you create a poll in WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos, and check out our other contents too. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video.